All right, guys, welcome back to Stonehouse Acres. Today, a little different, but we're gonna be replacing the rotted bunk boards on my boat trailer. Look how rotted this thing is. These boards were held on by 4 screws, 2 on each end. I had to simply cut the carpet out and away, and then unscrew the 4 screws, and the boards were free. I'm using 2 2x6s purchased from Home Depot, pressure treated. After I measured up to make sure each board was equal, I simply put the 4 screws back in. All right, I ordered the Sturdy Shape trailer bunk carpet off Amazon. Nothing special. I just need to get this on quickly, so I'll let you know how it goes. Putting the carpet on was a bit tedious. We cut slits on each corner to make it a little easier, but figured out a solution that worked out really well and utilized staples to secure the carpet to each pressure-treated 2x6. Thanks for following and hope you enjoyed.